Welcome back, and now news from sports. The race for the Pro League title is going right down to the wire. After Sunday's last gasp 1-1 draw against Churchill Brothers, Dempo Sports Club have a great opportunity to win it on Wednesday if they beat Vasco. If Dempo fail to get full points, Salgaonkar Sports Club will have the chance to win the title when they face Sporting Club de Goa on Thursday. If Dempo and Salgaonkar manage to get draws in their respective matches, Churchill will become the Pro League champions.
The Pro League, played under the new format of Super League and Relegation League with a total of 10 teams, has been an interesting affair this time. Both the leagues generated close competitions, with the relegation part done and dusted, Kalangut going down to the first division. The focus is now on the title race in the Super League, where defending champions Dempo managed a tremendous last-gasp stoppage time draw against Churchill on Sunday. This result kept Dempo with a chance to win the title. It also keeps Salgaonkar and Churchill's title hopes alive. Churchill is the first team to have finished their engagements with 24 points. Dempo and Salgaonkar have 22 points each. Sporting Club de Goa and Vasco Sports Club are out of the title race. A reporter from Fatodda, Savio Dice.
Politics 11 won Patrakar Chashak 2012 with an 8-wicket victory over Goa Police in the finals on Sunday. The tournament was organized by Sports Authority of Goa and Sanghe Kepe Patrakar Sangh in association with Kurchade Vikas Sangatna and Saurde Gymkhana.
The finals was a low-scoring affair. Batting first, Goa Police were all out for 85 runs in 14.5 overs. Bharat was their top scorer with 29 runs, while Kishore Sinari contributed 13 runs. Politics 11 bowlers did a fantastic job. Rajesh Vaingankar and Akshay Khorde took 3 wickets each. Politics made short work of the chase, getting the required runs in just 10.5 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Pushpashil Desai was the top scorer with 51 runs, while Harish Kutti contributed 35 runs. Here are some highlights.
एक रन ले लिया है और इस बार छक्का यहाँ पे फिर से खेल लिया बहुत ही सुंदर शॉट वहाँ पे.
Pushpashil of Politics 11 was named man of the match, while Badal Singh of Saurde Gymkhana was the man of the series. Runners-up Goa Police and winners Politics 11 were presented trophies and cash prizes. A reporter from Kurchare, Mayur Naik.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.